Are you used to this track now?
Am I used to it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've done it a few hundred times. And they'll just reset it up for the next place, and then we just do it all over again. Yeah, we had the same track system in Chicago last month, but it was a little bit different. So they might have like the sand pit on that side or something else, you know, in another area. Just kind of change it around depending on the spot we get. So I'm going to turn on what's called the trail turn assist. Turn it on in the dash. I'm going to crank the steering wheel all the way. It's going to lock. Oh, of course, it's not going to do it on me. I'm having some issues with this one. These are prototypes, so they have little glitches with the computers. I like to... There it goes. As soon as I crank it all the way, it engages that back tire and locks it in place so we can pivot on it, creating a tight turn radius. Just go around again. See, because this sand squeal drives me nuts. If this sand was dry, you wouldn't hear a squeak at all. I got it to do it a few times yesterday when the sand dried out. It's like the most beautiful turn ever. It's like riding on a parking brake, so it just makes that squeal sound if these conditions aren't just right. Come up to this mountain, I am going to turn on the lockers, and I'm going to turn on what's called trail control. So as soon as I turn that on, it's going to come up on the dash and ask me to set it. So just like cruise control for fast speeds, where you set the speed and it's going to maintain that speed for you, I'm going to set it between 1 and 15 miles per hour. So I'm going to set it about 3.5. Take my foot off the brake, and it's going to do the climbing for me. So my feet are not on the brakes or any of the pedals. Slow it down to about 1 mile per hour. And see, if I tap my foot on the brake, it's going to drop it back down. I'm turning these lockers off because I don't need them anymore. And it's going to do the braking for me on the way down without my foot on the brake or the gas as well. So it's doing